Good morning, guys. I'm going to show you real quick just a reminder on how to share your name tags with me. So I'm in my Onshape dashboard. These are the files created by me. I'm going to open one of those up. Okay, once that file opens up, I'm going to check all my parameters first. Double check in my sketch to make sure everything's the correct size. Look at your extrusion depth and your second sketch and your second extrusion. Make sure you're following all the directions there. Once you're sure that you followed all of the directions, you're going to share it with me. The way to do that is to come up here, click share. You're going to leave all of these settings and the boxes checked the way they are and make sure it says can edit here. And then you're going to put my email address in this box here. I've shared my email address with you guys in Google Classroom, so you can just copy and paste it into here. And once my email address is in there, you're going to hit the share button. That will then show up on my Onshape dashboard so I can grade your file. So if I go back to my dashboard, shared with me, I can click on that and it'll populate all of your designs in there so I can see those and grade those. Okay, the second thing that you need to do, the second file you need to share with me is the STL file. That's the file that I'm going to use to 3D print your designs. So again, to create that STL file, you're going to upload that to Classroom, and there's no way for you to share that with me. So you're going to go to your Part Studio tab down here. You're going to right click. You're going to click on Export. Sorry, wrong one. This is the Part Studio tab, Part 1. So Export. Make sure you name it correctly. So you want your naming convention for both of these files is you're starting with your block. So if this was for block A, then you put your last name, and you're gonna put name tag. You want to make sure your format is STL. I think it defaults to Parasolid, so make sure you're selecting STL. And then you want to come down here in your resolution. You want to make this fine, and you want to download it. Once you say OK, it's going to download your part. Then what you need to do is take that file and upload it to Google Drive. I'm going to go into, I shared a folder with each of my classes. So we'll say this is A block. You're going to open this folder up. You're going to go to New, File Upload. And then down here in your downloads, you're going to find the file that you just downloaded and say Open. Okay, that then drops it in that shared folder so I can find it, and then I will 3D print all of those files that are in there.